go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing some flex ride curls, and we're going to be working with these flex ride rollers to curl my hair. And to do that, we're going to be using some mousse, some eco styling gel, and some wild growth for my scalp. So let's get started, you guys. So first thing first, to do this, of course, I am going to part my hair in the back. I always start in the back to curl my hair, and when I part my hair, you guys, I don't part small sections. I try to part out a nice size section because I don't have a lot of these flex ride rollers. So yeah, so we're gonna be taking like pretty big sections, I want to say, but they're not going to be too big, but they will be nice and big. So you guys, I'm going to put a little wild growth on my scalp. I pretty much use this all for every time I do my hair. And also guys, I'm going to use some mousse that I purchased from my local beauty store, and I'm pretty much going to saturate my hair with the mousse, and then I'm going to take a little section, of course, and comb it out, and again put a little mousse, and I'm going to put a little eco styling gel. I try not to put too much eco styling gel because it makes my hair really curly, so that's why I use the mousse, so that it can kind of keep my hair straight, but at the same time, you know, make it not too curly. So yeah, you guys, so all I did was take the rod and rolled my hair around it, and of course bent it so that it can stay into place. So again, you guys, I just take my hair towards the end, I roll it up, and once I rolled it all the way up, I just kind of bend it to keep it in place. Hey guys, make sure that you support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and notification bell, so every time I come with a new video, you guys will definitely know about it. Okay guys, we're down to our last roller. So once I'm done, I am just going to let this hair sit, and yeah, that's it.
The next day.
Okay guys, so I was supposed to let this sit overnight and pretty much let it dry, and then I was supposed to take it out, but of course time passed and I had things to do. So pretty much this is the next day, and now I am taking these rollers out, and baby, let me tell you, I slept with these things and it was not the comfortablest thing to sleep in with these rollers. I thought that it would have been, you know, a little comfortable that these rollers are sponge rollers, but baby, I woke up with a neck ache, a back ache, and a goddamn headache. But anyway, you guys, so yeah, we're gonna take all these sponge rollers out, and I'll be back. Hey guys, if you like this video so far, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Okay guys, now that I'm taking out like my last roller, yeah, so we're going to pretty much oil my scalp a little more, and we're going to oil it with some of the kaleidoscope, because you guys, I have really dry scalp, so I have to use a lot of different oils in my head, because baby, this scalp is no joke, I can tell you that. Okay guys, so now I'm just using a little oil sheen to kind of oil these things up. So now we're just going to start separating them, and to kind of get them a little, you know, poofy and a little bigger. So we're just gonna take and separate each curl. Hey guys, make sure that you go over to Instagram and follow me at mskeedybaby, because I am very active on my Instagram page. So definitely go follow me. Okay guys, so now I'm still separating the curls, and I am going to use a wide tooth comb to kind of help poof it up a little bit. And yeah, that was not working. It was actually making it worse. So yeah, so let me continue to try to separate this and see, you know, how we gonna look in the end. Okay guys, so I'm still trying to separate this and poof it up, but I am definitely not liking this at all. I am like so over this. It's just not looking good to me at all. So I had to come up with something else to do, because I was actually going to a party tonight and my hair was looking a mess. So you guys, what I decided to do, I decided to just separate it, leave the front curls out, and just put the back into a ponytail. So yeah, you guys, these curls was not popping for me at all, you guys. I was upset too, because I slept all night with these damn rollers in, and yeah, the result didn't even turn out the way I wanted to. Okay guys, so I am finishing up with this ponytail, and of course my curls in the front because I didn't like the original look of my little spiral curls. But yeah, you guys, so here's the finished look. So let me know your thoughts on this look, and make sure that you guys subscribe to my channel and also hit that like button if you like this video, and leave me a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts.